Who is this pretty girl? Come.
And who is this handsome boy?
Who is this handsome boy? Say morning to the Faves.
Wagwan.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon,
Mama,
good
say Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Mama, every day when you didn't say hello, you say
Turn on the fan,
Wagwan.
please.
Okay, Mama?
Okay, Wagwan
Because
Faves.
you're Jamaican.
Okay, Tyler, can you guys, it's a brand new day in JA.
And if you did not birthday today,
And Tyler is off to one of his close friends' birthday party. Just a small gathering, not a lot of people. So we are going to go pick her up a gift and then go drop Tyler off and figure out what we're gonna do until we pick him back up. So that's what we're up to right now. I don't know if you guys can see Babes in the shadow. Baby's out there putting out the laundry because we have 5 minutes to leave this house. I'm just coming on to do the intro before we head out. This is Minnie, look, see there, look, see there, over there, that's you. And this headband not gonna last, so I'm thinking I'm gonna take it off and put you on Ebo.
what
Right? Come!
Mama, what?
It's her nap time, so she's very mad.
What's apple? What's apple, Mama?
A bow, the little thing I put in the side of her. Leave it. Leave it. Look at yourself. Look at her. It's her nap time and she's so ready to nap. Oh, you guys get in here. Good morning. Yeah, you finally saw them. Say hello. Say good morning. Stop doing that, Tyler. Yeah. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Saying good morning. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna head out right now. You guys see Babe waving in the background. We're gonna jump in the car. So make sure if it's your first time to the channel, you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam and click the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up right now. We are heading out, so we catch you guys along for the rest of today. There you go. As you guys can see, we are back home. I did not vlog while we were out because so much was happening. There's a lot of parents and kids around, so one, that's my main reason for not vlogging. But Tyler had a good time with his friends. He even fell and got hurt. If you go to a party and you don't fall, then hey, it didn't happen. Anyway, we are back home and I'm whipping up some dinner real quick for Babe and I. And tonight we are going chicken fried rice. I have some rice in the fridge from yesterday that I had made for Tyler. I have some chicken breast, freshly chopped with some seasoning. So I'm gonna stir this up real quick. Tyler, on the other hand, going to have some pizza. Tyler requested mini pizza, his favorite pizzas to have. So that's what I'm doing right now on this beautiful afternoon. Though it's raining outside, but some of my favorite times to spend with the family is when it's raining. It reminds me so much of Jamaica when rain falls and the whole stuff with the zinc house and I hear all the rain something from the whole stuff. Yeah, some of the fun memories I have with my siblings in Jamaica is when the rain falls. We in the house and we play church and we play game. I who used to love play church like me. Woo. Oh, so I find my sesame oil. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding sesame oil. I'm adding a little oyster sauce. I'm adding salt and a little of my Jamaican jerk seasoning to give it that kick, pepper taste. And then I'm going to add one small tin of mixed veg. I didn't realize that my stove is not on high heat. You have to do fried rice on high heat because you don't want nothing to steam and give you water, give you lots of liquid. So I'm going to put a tin of mixed veg in there. Then I'm going to add a little of the rice. I don't think I'm going to use all of it. Everybody minding their own business. Husband over there.
I mind my own business, don't you see?
Tyler
mind his own business too. Sarah, little girl. Hello.
They minding her own business.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
And it's Sarah dinner time soon. Sorry, I'm getting right. Oh my God, Sarah, you're too funny. Hello, Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes, I can see that. That's the look of things. Quick fix. Looking good. Those Stella mini pizza in the oven about to finish up. Guys, we just got in from the supermarket, the entire fam down. Just got back from the supermarket. So let's jump in the supermarket haul. Don't worry, it won't be only me. The king of the supermarket haul is coming. He's just parking the car properly and he'll be here. And I can hear the key going in the door right now. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Here he comes, here he comes. Come, Ty, come. Come, Ty, Papa is here. Come on, man. Boo! Come, we're waiting on you, king.
You're waiting on me. Can I get some water first?
Go ahead, have your water. Alright, Ty, let's start and take a look at his water. First thing first. Ooh. Lemonade. Oh, so you're taking the things out the bag? No, they're too heavy for you. You come up on the step and I take them out. Ty, listen. Go over in the corner because Papa is coming this way.
The small things are not heavy.
Some is heavy. What's this? Hurry. You don't ever drink this juice. This is not juice, it's oil. L'huile. En français, c'est l'huile. C'est quoi ça en français?
Je ne sais pas.
Moi aussi.
C'est des haricots blancs. Des haricots blancs.
Juste comme ça?
Haricots blancs, oui, des haricots blancs.
Mais tout le petit pois blanc, c'est haricots blancs?
Le petit pois.
Oui.
Petit pois, c'est petit pois. C'est comme ça, c'est haricots blancs. On dit ça haricots blancs.
Ok.
Haricots en cuit, non, c'est haricots blancs.
You.
Haricots blancs, white.
Say hello to the people.
Hello, hi guys, I didn't see you today. Just come back from work after we rushed to supermarket. What a life.
Papa, this is juice.
And
this
who
is
went
not
to
juice, this is
supermarket
oil.
before you?
You went to supermarket before me. I just had to go and she did everything
It's
already.
just
I have
Papa
the
talking,
best wife, but I don't have the best son. He's talking.
Papa talking, you don't talk at the same time. You
Yes,
know that.
Tyler.
I want to tell you that that is juice for real.
You want that for
You just
breakfast?
don't drink it. Come, babe, let's go.
We have
Okay.
apple juice. Hey guys, I'm like you on discovering.
No, it's up. It's
So babe
apple
don't know
oil.
anything that about
It's
because he
apple
just
oil,
came to pick us up.
Orange oil.
Tyler, turn around.
Apple juice, orange juice. We all drink apple juice and orange juice. Oh, this is oil.
That looks like oil.
That looks like oil. Tyler wanted to change. He took apple juice. Why you wanted to change?
Because there's no rocks regular.
Okay, that's good to change. Oasis is good.
I'm not a big fan of Oasis. It's not apple.
Oasis is good. We have another apple juice. Wow. Hey guys, you can see that we're drinking a lot of juice here.
Healthy.
We?
It's healthy.
Correct that.
Papa, it's healthy.
Tyler and I, how you call Tyler and I?
Healthy.
Yes, but you make it sound like I'm a part of the juice drinking. I'm a
We
part
have
of
some
the juice drinking.
healthy
I
hot dog
have no
bread.
part to
Not
it.
healthy.
Not healthy.
You hear how chaotic it sounds when everybody's speaking at the same time? Don't do
cereal.
that.
Yes, Tyler, you
Okay.
don't do that, okay? You're waiting on your turn to speak, okay?
This
What is
what's
that? We have some.
Chicken.
We have
Chicken rooster.
a lot of chicken. We have breast chicken, breast, open chicken.
No, it's rooster, my favorite rooster.
Another chicken.
No, it's the rooster.
Alright, whatever
Continue
is
until I come.
We have some
Snake.
gnocchi for hot dog. We have some cheese.
No, this. Wait. This is snake
Alright, we have snake.
for Mama.
We have a lot of yogurt. We are yogurt fan. When Tyler and me and Sarah are yogurt fans. So somebody is not yogurt fan.
I eat yogurt, but only in my concoction that I use to make my
So
oats.
Tyler, when he was a little,
breakfast.
he used to eat a lot of yogurt, just like Sarah now. And Tyler now, he don't eat
Tyler
much
don't really
yogurt.
eat
We don't
much,
get
no.
yogurt
We don't
when
even
then
buy
he-
for him. If he wants what's in
Right.
the fridge, then yes, but
What else do we have here? We have a pumpkin.
yes.
That's the second pumpkin we get. We get just one the other day, right?
Yes, but I cook it, I use it make food for Sarah.
Okay. You got some melon. You call that
Melon.
Melon.
Mel for Mel.
Melon.
Melissa.
Melon.
Hurry, man.
Yeah, I was saying you look like it.
Yes, it's real.
Yeah.
I mean, like some stupid ass star beside the melon.
Alright, what
Come, Tyler, here, Papa, with the haul.
we have
Let's
green
go.
beans.
Tyler,
we
you're gonna
have
fall. Stop doing
Oil,
that.
oil.
for the hair, for
Oil for Mama here.
yeah, for her mama hair. We have salad.
No, that's his ball.
Okay, we have a bowl and
Another ball.
we have Sarah food. Sarah little food.
Come, let's go. I'm gonna slow like.
We are slow like
Bye.
what she wanted to say that, but she
Bye.
didn't
I love
say it.
those
I hear it.
buns.
We
I
have
love
some
those.
pepper. Alright, we have salt. Salt is a must. We have some veggies. Some food for Sarah. Another food for Sarah. Ah, what is that?
Bouillon.
Bouillon. That's not bouillon. What is that,
Seasoning.
Tyler?
I don't spaghetti.
Yes, that's spaghetti. So who
It's
says
bouillon is seasoning to cook with. Don't listen to Papa. What are you doing?
Do you know? Alright, what else we have? We have some more food for Sarah. So why we have so much food for Sarah? You plan not to
Because
cook?
Sarah eats.
Sarah eats? Really? Need something? We have tomatoes, we have garlic, whatever garlic is for. I'm talking to all of the single man. Who buy garlic?
This.
What you mean? You buy garlic.
Who buy garlic?
You can't cook
This
without
one.
garlic.
The
We are-
black and lime.
How many times I hear to stop talking?
We have
and
hammer
stop
for Tyler when he's
Wait,
not nice.
let's finish this first.
What we have? You ate the last one? You ate? She buy things to look fancy.
Eat up!
Fancy.
The other one finished.
So I didn't take the same than the last one.
It is the same.
No, it's not the same.
Yes,
This
it
one is
is.
written. This is not the same. This is written on the packet. Not the same than the last week. And you
You
are looking
fool.
like this on the
Look.
packet. You deserve.
Mama is
Hold
telling.
on. Tell me if I take the right mean.
No.
Lie. You can't even lie to save your life. Is the right one?
You know?
Honey, stop now. Is that the right one? Say God no. Lie. Is the
Mama
right
is-
one?
Mama,
Give me the next. Give me the next. Give me the next. Fast, fast.
Is the right one?
Fast, fast,
No.
fast.
Mama is telling the truth.
Why are you shouting?
Fast, fast, fast. What is that? It's shower soap for Tyler. When it's not nice, we bath Tyler with soap. And we have Tyler hammer again. What is that, Tyler? Is basmati? So why not take basmati?
This is basmati.
This time I'm not joking.
Papa, this is to knock on your elbow. It's to knock on your elbow.
I'm not even laughing.
Sorry. Look at the woman's face when she realizes she's wrong. Look at the woman's face. Guys, I'll let you know. I want you to see at the woman's face when she's realized after she insisted that she got it wrong.
No. I didn't read because the both bags look the same. So I just take it off.
She didn't read, and then she convinced that she took the right one, and she insisted that she took the right one, and she have to go to look at the old
you
one
guys
to
need
see
to
if
back
it's...
me up for this. Wouldn't you have done the exact same thing?
What's wrong, Mama?
Stop the excuse.
I took a rice, which is not the same, but it's the same.
Tell Mama, so you're gonna eat the rice yourself.
No.
It's the same bag, but this is the same bag, the same brand.
Look at the guilty
same
face.
company.
She's still trying.
One says
I get a D, but this is not my fault. This is because the teacher don't like me.
And one says Lori
and the question wasn't in the lesson. So how did I know that?
I want to say
And
something,
this is because my
Papa.
pen didn't work.
Papa, I want to tell you something.
Yes, Tyler.
what the hell?
Don't explain after that. Also, Mama and you are going to do rock, paper, scissors.
No rock, paper, scissors.
No. Let's see what else we have, Tyler.
No,
we
rock,
have
paper,
some
scissors.
happy biscuit again. Oh, you
Let's
find your
finish
happy
it.
biscuit?
Yes.
Right,
we
Tyler
tried
is
it.
happy because he finds his happy biscuit. And we have some
finish
crepe
the
for
house,
Papa. A lot of crepe for Papa.
We're not giving Papa none of the
Papa wants crepe with the
Come
Nutella
inside,
on
come
top of it.
It's not for you, it's only for me. I will not give you some for you. I'm going to eat all of it.
What else do we have? We have some toast bread. How you call it? Toast bread.
It's just one
Caesar
Caesar salad.
We have donuts again. How many?
It's for Tyler.
Tyler plant is staying home all day. Tyler don't
I
deserve
can't
no.
see nothing.
We have some bread. We have quinoa. Let's see if she took the right quinoa this time. Yes. We have we call that liver chimney. You plan to cook? Or you use that for your muffin? For your muffin?
Mama,
Yes.
Mama.
Come and take this. Yes, sir.
this
We have
time you to
some
do
more
rock,
bread.
paper, scissors.
Is this second pack of bread? We have some bread for the hot dog.
Before
Tyler,
Papa,
you know what we're gonna play? We're gonna play rock, scissors, paper. If I win, you go straight to bed. Okay? If you win, you go straight to bed too. Okay?
No.
No. If you win, he go to bed. And if you win,
You go to bed
you
too.
stay up a little later.
Okay?
Rock, paper,
Wait. That was cheating. I'm gonna say it and everybody must go same time. No
Okay.
holding back. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
boom.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, you guys. There you guys have the rock, paper, scissors, shoot after the supermarket haul. Realize that you guys love the last one. I love that it comes naturally.
Mama,
Anyway,
I win
let's
more
end the
than
vlog.
Papa.
No, we have camera.
Anyway,
we have
you guys.
proof.
Hopefully you guys enjoy the supermarket haul as usual, and we'll see you guys later.